Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode of Big Trip, and today I am at Watford Junction. Where am I, Tom?
Watford Junction.
Yeah, Watford Junction. It's an inside joke. Arriving now is the 10:52 Southern service from Milton Keynes Central to East Croydon, formed of 377. Two of them actually. Oh no, it's one of them. 377201. So today here at Watford Junction you'll be seeing services operated by Virgin Trains, also West Midlands Trains in the brand of London Northwestern Railway, and Govia Thameslink Railway in the brand of Southern. So we've got another train about to pass through Watford Junction. It's going to be a 221 on this occasion. It's from Chester to London Euston, I believe. Well, it looked like 221104, that one, so we're going to go with that. So yes, we're here a little bit late, very annoyingly late, because we were going to see a Shrewsbury London Euston, and guess what? 221101 again on it. Why is it always in Shrewsbury? What on earth? Anyway, so excuse my coughing. I have no idea why it's still here. Joining me today at Watford, I know, is Tom Train Spotter. You've got Clifford Rowe, who hasn't seen him in ages, and Rob's public transport videos, who's down there. 377201 is departing there. 10:52 Southern service to East Croydon going out there. So, if you do wish to check out any real-time updates on trips and posts, please do check out my Facebook group. The link is in the description. So, without further ado, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at where, Tom?
Watford Junction.
Let's get started here. Okay, arriving in very slowly. It's going to be the 10:59 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston.
I think it's from Liverpool Lime Street.
Oh, is it Liverpool?
It says it's on here, yeah.
Okay, sorry, from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Sorry, I'm not got my times out yet. 3:52:49. I do have the information, I just don't have it up yet. So it's from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. And 3:51:17. Okay, departing now is going to be the 10:59 London Northwestern Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Three 3:52:49 and 3:51:17. That one now calls at London Euston only. So then that one goes. Okay. Passing through now is a Pendolino from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Well, it looked like 39114.
141.
Oh, was it 141, was it? Okay.
Yep.
That one goes anyway. That's to London Euston from Glasgow Central. Fun fact, diverted via Manchester Piccadilly today due to engineering works towards Warrington and Wigan Northwestern.
Kieran, sorry, it's from Manchester, sorry.
Okay, Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Well, yeah, there is engineering works today via Manchester Piccadilly today. But if you
Let's go by Manchester, did you know that?
shut up. Right, anyway. Also, interesting for you. Sadly, I regret to inform all viewers that who are watching this, there's no 319 for St Albans today. There's been a train fault, every train is cancelled. So, yeah, clickbait video. I'll clickbait and say 319 definitely in this video. Anyway, yeah, the 319 is, what's that?
New sign.
Yeah, and a new sign. They've updated it as well. Looking very nice indeed.
Put a sticker over there.
Might even use that as the thumbnail. So, yeah. So, yeah. Let's carry on here. Okay, passing through now is going to be a 350. Brilliant two-tone. Heading to Crewe. .350, 377. What on earth was that? Okay, arriving now is the 1111 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central from London Euston.
Customers on platform 8 are reminded to please remain behind the yellow line until the train arrives.
350, 372. And 350, 258. I also forgot to say you will also be seeing London Overground here as well. I forgot to mention them. So you'll be seeing Virgin Trains, London North Western Railway, Southern and London Overground. I forgot to mention them, I do apologise. Okay, departing now is the 1111 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central.
It's Kieran talking. Kieran talking, sorry.
And that was a nice bit of Spanish there being spoke by our good friend Iverbridge Railway Videos. I'm sure if he's watching this, he'll appreciate me just saying that. He's in Spain at the moment in Lanzarote on holiday, that's why I said that. And arriving now is the delayed 1104 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street at 350 103. Don't you do that.
I have more price now.
350 124 being the rear. And I'm quite certain, Rob, wasn't this the train you got? Yeah, I thought so. 350 124 there. To Liverpool Lime Street, delayed by 9 minutes. About. Okay, approaching in now is a terminating London Overground 378 from London Euston, whilst the delayed 1104 to Liverpool Lime Street also departs for London North Western Railway. So yeah, there's been a few timetable changes since I was last here at Watford Junction, because now obviously the 350s are now going from London to Liverpool and also to Rugeley Trent Valley, so they're doing quite a bit. The 378's gone behind that, so forget I even said that was coming in. Actually, it still is, but we can't see it.
378-207.
Will you stop calling it? Oh my
Sorry.
god. Right, guys, these are 387s, did you know? Okay, arriving now is the 1115 London North Western Railway service from Crewe and Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. 350 105. And we've also got another 350 turning up with the 1116 from Tring to London Euston, but we'll see that one in a minute. And we'll see these 350s here. Here comes said 1116 London North Western Railway service from Tring to London Euston, which is 350 248. Look at that St Albans platform, it's so lonely and empty. Where even is the 319?
Dead.
It's faulty on the line, but it's not even here. So where's it gone? Alright, departing now is going to be the 350 105. We've got a Pendolino passing through. But forget that's even there, it's not there, guys. .350-264 the rear, that is the 1115 service for London North Western Railway from Crewe and Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston, and the 1116 from Tring to London Euston, departing with 350-248 at the front. It's an old and new livery on this one. Oh no, it's not, ignore me. Rear of it, sorry, is 350-256. That Pendolino that rushed through is also from London Euston to Birmingham New Street.
That's Manchester.
Was that a Manchester Piccadilly, was it?
To arrive at platform 8.
Right, okay.
Will be the 1120 Southern.
Okay, next train to arrive is the 11:20 Southern service from East Croydon to Milton Keynes Central. Formed of this time two
Please stand back
377s.
from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please
Formed
hold
of
on
377,
to pushchairs,
206.
wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
We've also got a 350 passing through, two of them actually. .350 368 and 350 129. Right, depart now is the 11:20 Southern service to Milton Keynes Central from East Croydon. And 377 210.
Spark.
Yeah, a lovely spark from the train there as well. There that one goes. Okay, passing through now, we've got a Virgin Trains Pendolino heading to London Euston. Might be a
From Crewe, yeah.
This one is from Crewe to London Euston. I think that was 390 152 or 132. But that one is from Crewe to London Euston. Only going from Crewe due to the engineering works towards Warrington, Bank and Wigan today. So that's why that's from Crewe, but there that one goes.
Straight after.
Right, passing through now is a service from Holyhead to London Euston for Virgin Trains. Formed of 221. So there goes that one, and then also passing through is another Virgin Trains Super Voyager from London Euston to Chester. I didn't get the numbers of that one.
Please stand back from the platform edge.
Brilliant free tone.
Train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on.
221 118. It's 118. It's 118. Yeah.
118.
118, heading over to Chester. Passing through now is a Virgin Train service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. I think that's 390 117 there, but even so, another little cheeky tone there as it goes through. Yeah.
Another one coming through.
And another Virgin Voyager now for Birmingham New Street is coming through. Never ending, these things. So no, not as never ending as 350s. That's 221 105.
Is it now?
And that's for Birmingham New Street from London Euston. Okay, passing through now is a Virgin Train service to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. .390 137. Right, arriving now is going to be the 11:27 London North Western Railway service to Tring, formed of just a one 350 this time. It's 352.66. Okay, so as the 352.66 to Tring departs, passing, we've got another set of 350s from London Euston to Crewe and Rugeley Trent Valley. .352.43, 352.34, and there goes 352.66. Not a great shot of it, but there it goes anyway. Okay, passing through now is going to be a Virgin Train service to Manchester Piccadilly. .390.020. Okay, got two 350s coming through. One from Crewe to London Euston, not stopping. 350, 369, 351, 18, and also arriving, it sounded so serious when I did that, is the 11:39, 35 even, service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. That's 350, 373, and 352, 53. Okay, approaching now is going to be the 11:37 Virgin train service to Shrewsbury from London Euston. Would you believe it? 221101 is the rear of it. This time 101 is not going to Shrewsbury. This time it's terminating at New Street. It is 221143 that will be going to Shrewsbury. I'm passing through as a Pendolino. 390-107. Yeah, this 390 stopping. This is the other one. This is Birmingham New Street to London Euston.
Customer information for 8 days in August. Watford Junction, London Overground.
I'm going to walk up here to get the Voyager going out though, but here's 390-107 arriving for London Euston. Right, now it's the 11:37 Virgin train service to Shrewsbury. Going to sidestep over here. Sidestep around Rob. With 221101 at the rear. Oh, that's bright. Hang on. There it goes. Nice to see 101 again. Once again involved in a Shrewsbury service again. So yeah. So there's this one. This is the 1140 Virgin train service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. I think this one is also off. 350-261 also arriving with a service to Ruggie Trent Valley. I think this 390 is also off. We've got some freight also coming through. And there goes the 1140 service to London Euston only.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Watford Junction. Passengers travelling to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, please make your way to the front of the
That's
station.
390-107. We've also got some freight passing through whilst I have this clip open. It's formed of a 66 with 350 is also about to leave. Never good when this happens. 66597. And we got bold. That's not funny. That is not funny. It laughed at us. And a 390 as well. That's 390042 to Oxley Car Maintenance Depot on ECS. So whilst the 350 decided to laugh at us, that almost seemed like it was intentional, the horn there. That was great, I love that. Anyway, there goes all of that. Okay, passing through now is going to be a Virgin Trade service to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street. $390,005. What is it with all these pendolino's sounding really weird today?
Having a day off.
Yeah, have a day off, Virgin. Just be normal.
Or on time.
No, they're on time, just not normal.
It's been 1 minute early. Can't complain about
So that one goes anyway. Passing there, 39127, heading to London Euston from Glasgow Central via Manchester Piccadilly. So that one goes. Okay, arriving now is the 1146 London North Western Railway service from Tring to London Euston, 35233. So there's that one.
600 Midland service and 350.
Okay, off now is the 1146 London North Western Railway service to London Euston from Tring with 35233. And it is beginning to rain, but we'll try and make do with that as we will. It's like every single 350 being weird today. 351.30 there. Oh, we've got some freight coming through as well. It's heading to Daventry from Dollonsmore. Yeah, thought it was. Look out for that in a second. Well, don't even need to look out for it in a second. Here it comes now. We've got some 377s turning up in a minute for East Croydon. Brilliant two-tone. It's 66164. Very, very nice pass. There it goes. Okay, arriving now is going to be the this will be the 1156 Southern service. 1153 then. 1153 Southern service from Milton Keynes Central to East Croydon, and it's 377203. See this one leave in a minute. Passing through now, got a Virgin train service to Glasgow Central. $391.36 City of Coventry. So that one goes. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1153 Southern service to East Croydon from Milton Keynes Central. Three 77213. Then that one goes to East Croydon. I was about to say Milton Keynes then, but that's the other way. There that one goes. Departing S378221 on the London Overground service to London Euston, and also arriving is another London Overground service terminating from London Euston, one of another 378, just 378, it looks like 218, it is. Never really been, excuse me, I've never really been to this part of Watford Junction before, but now I have. I never really paid much attention to the overground section. It's like Josh was saying earlier to me about Reading. He's saying that it's exactly the same as Reading when you film all the mainline stuff and then the South Western Railway hidden away. It's exactly the same like this, overground hidden away and there's all the mainline stuff. So, yeah. Right, we're now here on platform 11 of Watford Junction and it's completely and utterly abandoned. Very sadly, as I say, the St Albans Abbey trains are cancelled today due to the 319 having a fault, so we will not be seeing any St Albans Abbey trains today. Obviously this platform very well hidden. As I said, it's one of my favourite platforms in the country because it's so hidden and away from everywhere else, but it's a very nice little platform. But sadly, and sadly for Rob because he doesn't come here often, 319's not here. As we were going to go on a ride to St Albans Abbey as part of today's plans, but not anymore. Anyway, let's carry on, but this is the Albans platform. Okay, arriving now is the 12:15 London North Western Railway service from Tring to London Euston with 35121. Oh, it's 104, silver one. It's the Ghost 350.
London Euston only. This train
very nice
has
indeed.
8 carriages.
Okay, whilst the 350 sits here, passing through, we've got a Virgin train service. Going to a Pendolino. (390-141), and then off goes the 350s as well. What was he doing? Is that why?
No.
He made that noise. He went ah at us. Weird. So, time for question of the video for Watford Junction. Bet everyone's been waiting for this one. So, question of the video for this one. So, Watford Junction is home to. It's also the nearest It's the nearest station to the Warner Bros. Studio Tour. Can you name another train station that is the nearest station to a?
Lewis.
Not to a John Lewis.
It's got to be the nearest one, isn't it?
No, nearest to a. Just nearest to an attraction. So like maybe a family attraction or some form of event or attraction. And as the Tring to London Euston service arrives, 35266, I'm going to finish my video from Watford Junction here. So thank you all for watching this video from Watford Junction. If you have liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations or welcomes, please do leave those in the comments as well. Joining me today is Rob's Public Transport Videos, Tom Train Spotter, and I didn't even know he changed his name, Oxfordshire Train Spotter, who was previously called Clifford Rowe. Clifford the Big Red Dog. Right, so, sorry, I had to. We'll finish up with the final passing train. Wonder what it will be. But anyway, this station's been really good. Good views, good traction. Shame we didn't see a St Albans train, but you know, boo-hoo. It's Piccadilly, you know, we're going to finish up with. Overground, we went onto the platform at last. It was really good. The traction's just been fantastic. There's been good variety all over. We saw a couple of southern services, saw some 350s, loads of 350s, loads of Pendolinos, a few Voyagers, the stopping Shrewsbury service. £391.08. Obviously had that moment with the being bowled by a 350 and the train and the guard laughing at us via horn, and also obviously the freight we did see properly. So there's been a load of really good sort of funny moments here, and it's been very, very enjoyable to film. So yeah, Watford Junction still remains as one of my favourite stations. It's brilliant. Okay, the next station for me though is going to be from Tring, so I shall see you there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all at Tring. Goodbye.